everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Facebook Lite. Facebook Lite is an official Facebook client that lets you use the popular social network through a much lighter app, and that's better suited for low-power Android devices or ones with limited internet connections. To log into Facebook Lite, make sure you've downloaded it on your device. If you have not downloaded it, then go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Facebook Lite, and soon after you find it, tap on the download button in order to download it. I already have Facebook Lite installed on my device, so let me tap it open. As soon as you do that, allow Lite to access to your contacts by tapping on Allow. In the first field, enter your email address or your mobile number, and on the next field, enter your password. Make sure to type the password correct. In case you forgot the password, tap on Forgotten Password link located at the bottom of the login button and follow the instructions to reset your password. Tap on Login after you are done. If you want to save the login info, then tap on OK. And there you go. That is how you can log into Facebook Lite. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.